Now we will be showing the installation of the Postryte universal sign holder on a chain link fence. For installation, you need to use the fixed hole for one of the bolts, and on the other side is a slot to be used for adjustment for various sizes of chain link fence. Before installing, be sure the lances are on the outward position to receive the sign. Now you can insert the screws, one into the fixed position hole and the other one. We'll then put the one of the brackets on the back, which actually just needs to be turned down a few turns just to make sure it's in place, leaving enough room to be able to adequately adjust it on the chain link fence. Now you put one in a slot. Same thing on the other side with the other bracket. This is what it should look like as it's ready to be installed on the chain link fence. After the brackets are installed with the screws just lightly, insert them through the chain link fence so it looks like this from the back side. Then tighten up the screws until they're nice and snug. This installation requires the sign holder to be installed first prior to inserting the plastic sign. Now we're ready to install the plastic sign after the sign holder is installed. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Drop it to the bottom, slide it under the tabs to the left, flex the top tabs in place, and then on the right. That's the installation of the sign holder on a chain link fence.